Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard because this is the fastest way to change the language, and here we have to tap on the settings icon. Now let's tap on languages and types. And here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So in order to add new one, just tap on manage input languages, and we've just been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. Actually, at the very top, right here we've got the section with previously downloaded languages, and under it we've got available languages. So obviously you will be able to download them, you just have to provide the Wi-Fi connection or any internet connection. So then you will have to just tap on this download icon and it will appear right here. But let me pick something from the previously downloaded ones, and all you have to do in order to add a new language to the keyboard is to tap on the switcher on it. So let me pick this one and let me get back. As you can see, it immediately appears on our list, and under it we've got also a new option, which is language switching method. After tapping on it, we can decide how we want to change the languages. So we can change it using the spacebar swipe, which is right now applied, but also by the language key, or both of them. So I will pick both of them in order to show you. And now we can go back to the keyboard and let's check. As you can see, right now we've got English applied. It is also notified on the spacebar. So here we've got the name of the language we are currently set. And and here we've got the globe icon, which is responsible for changing the language. So actually, right now I'm typing English, but after swiping, let's check the first option with spacebar swiping, and after swiping I can easily switch to this language, whatever language it is. And after tapping on the globe icon, the same situation, we can swipe again we can change to the English one. So well, actually this is how to change the language, how to add new language. And now let me show you how to turn it off, because for some reason you don't need to have two different languages here. So let's get back to the settings, tap on languages and types again. And here we have to tap on manage input languages. As you can see, at the very top of the list we've got the languages we've got currently set. So all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher right next to the language you'd like to turn off. So I will pick obviously this one. We've got only English activated. After getting back, we've got only English left, and after checking on the keyboard we can see that we cannot find the globe icon, and obviously we cannot swipe anything because we've got only English applied. So well, actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.